Hello everyone, so today we are going to do the current affair of 11th and 12th of January daily best current affair series. I am Jiten Verma, so without wasting any time, let's start it. 7th Trade Policy Review of India concluded at the World Trade Organization. Who was the head of Indian delegation? So Indian delegation the head of Indian delegation was Anup Wadhawan. Okay, Anup Wadhawan. And where is the headquarters of World Trade Organization? So headquarters of World Trade Organization is in Geneva. Geneva is in Switzerland. Okay, and don't confuse World Trade Organization with World Trade Center. World Trade Center. World Trade Center is in USA. Okay, and capital of USA is Washington DC, where in Washington DC there is the headquarters of World Bank and IMF, International Monetary Fund. Okay, International Monetary Fund. And recently the new elected president, that is Joe Biden elected 2 persons as the US National Security for the US National Security Council. US National Security Council. Joe Biden elected 2 persons, that is Sumona Guha, and second is Tarun Chhabra. So remember, that is very important. Sumona Guha and Tarun Chhabra as the US National Security Council, the member of US National Security Council. And Vice President of US is Kamala Harris. Who will chair the high-level committee that has been constituted to commemorate 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? So that will be chaired by Narendra Modi. Okay, that will be chaired by Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India. And Amit Shah is our Defense Minister. Nirmala Sitharaman is our Finance Minister. Okay, and Smriti Irani is our Textile Minister and Women and Child Development Minister. And similarly, on the 96th birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, 96th birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a statue of 18 feet has been installed in Himachal Pradesh on the 96th birth anniversary of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And on 25th of December, the day is celebrated, that is Good Governance Day. Good Governance Day, because 25th December is the birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So on the birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Good Governance Day is celebrated every year. So remember this one also. Which country will give loan of 2133 crore rupees to India for its COVID relief efforts? So Japan is giving loan, and the currency of Japan is yen, and the capital of Japan is Tokyo, where 2021 Summer Olympic is going to happen. 2021 Summer Olympic, and the mascot for 2021 Summer Olympic is Miraitova, and Somati. Is the mascot for 2021 Summer Olympic. And Indian ambassador to Japan is Sanjay Kumar Verma. Is the Indian ambassador to Japan. Okay, and we do military exercise with Japan, that is we do GMAX with Japan. And another one is Shinyu Maitri. Third one is Sahyog Kaizen, and fourth is Dharma Guardian. Okay, that is the 4 exercises that India do with Japan. Dharma Guardian. So that are the military exercises between the two countries, that is India and Japan. And the Prime Minister of Japan is Yoshihide Suga. Yoshihide Suga is the Prime Minister of Japan. Okay, and capital of Indonesia is Bali. And recently the aeroplane of Indonesia's aircraft, that is Indonesian airline, that is Sriwijaya Air. Okay, the aircraft of Sriwijaya Air of Indonesia has crashed. Okay, has crashed the aircraft of Boeing 737-500 aircraft of Indonesian Airlines, that is Sriwijaya Air. Okay, the airline name is Sriwijaya Airline. Okay, so the aircraft was Boeing 737-500 that has crashed recently. So remember this one also. West Bengal CM, that is Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee is the CM of West Bengal, has inaugurated which edition of Kolkata International Film Festival? So that is 26th edition of Kolkata International Film Festival. Okay, that has been inaugurated by Mamata Banerjee. And who is the governor of West Bengal? So governor of West Bengal is Jagdeep Dhankad. Okay, and similarly 51st IFFI. What is IFFI? International Film Festival of India. International Film Festival of India. Film Festival of India is going to start in Goa. Okay, going to start in Goa, and the focus country will be Bangladesh. Bangladesh will be the focused country in 51st International Film Festival of India, and the chairman in this film festival will be Pablo Cesar. He is a great director from Argentina. He is a great film director from Argentina. Okay, Pablo Cesar will be the chairman of 51st International Film Festival of India. Okay, that is going to be happen in Goa. So remember this one also. So that is worth remembering. And with Bangladesh, we do military exercises like Bongo Sagar. We do with Bangladesh. Okay, another one is Sampriti we do with Bangladesh. Okay, and Maina Maitri is the exercise that also we do with Bangladesh. Maina Maitri. Okay, so that are the exercises that we do with India do with Bangladesh. So remember this one also. And Bangladesh recently launched a portal called Shohojoda portal, and that is for plasma collecting. That is for collection of plasma. So basically, it is plasma collecting portal. And the name of portal is Shohojoda. So remember this one also. Which state is going to become India's prime producer of vanadium? What is vanadium? A high value metal used in strengthening steel. So Arunachal Pradesh is going to become the India's prime producer for vanadium. So capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh, and in Arunachal Pradesh, Silk Training Center has been opened. Silk Training Center by KVIC, Khadi and Village Industry Commission. Opened Silk Training Center in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and a project called IMVWSP, that is a project called IMVWSP has been started in Arunachal Pradesh. So what is the full form of IMVWSP? integrated multi-village water supply. Okay, water supply. That project has been started recently in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so remember this one also. And Pakke Tiger Reserve of Arunachal Pradesh. Basically, Pakke Tiger Reserve is in Arunachal Pradesh. So Pakke Tiger Reserve of Arunachal Pradesh has started insurance cover against COVID-19 for green soldiers like doctor, nurses, and the persons who are doing their job in COVID-19, who were doing their job in COVID-19. So we call him green soldier. So Pakke Tiger Reserve of Arunachal Pradesh started insurance cover, okay, for green soldiers. So remember this one also. And great hornbill is a bird in Arunachal Pradesh that is in IUCN red list. IUCN red list. Okay, IUCN red list. Great hornbill bird. Okay, that is in danger. That is in vulnerable species list. So the bird name is great hornbill bird. So remember this one also. Who became the champion in Dhaka Marathon 2021? So person name is Bahadur Singh. He is from India. And he secured first position in men's category, and in women's category Pushpa Bhandari. She is from Nepal. And Jigmen Dolma also secured fourth position, and this he is very important because he is SP in Ladakh Police. So remember the name Jigmen Dolma also. And Dhaka Marathon is to commemorate the return of a person called Sheikh Muzibuddin Rahman. Okay, to return of the Sheikh Muzibuddin Rahman from Pakistan jail to Bangladesh. Okay, and Sheikh Muzibuddin Rahman is also known as father of Bangladesh. So remember this one also. Who will offer a free internationalized domain name in any of the preferred 22 official Indian language? So the company name is Nixi, and the full form of Nixi is National Internet Exchange of India. So remember this one question. This one is a straightforward question. So remember this one, Nixi. Which organization has issued risk-based internal audit framework for strengthening governance arrangements of banks as part of internal control framework? So RBI did that, and RBI is the Reserve Bank of India. Headquarters is in Mumbai. Shakti Kant Das is governor. Shakti Kant Das is the governor of RBI, and NABARD chairman is G.R. Chintala, Govind Rijiju. So you can only remember G.R. Chintala. And SBI chairman is Dinesh Kumar Khara. Okay, and headquarters of SBI is also in Mumbai, and headquarters of NABARD is also in Mumbai, and RBI headquarters is also in Mumbai. So remember this one also. I&B, that is information and broadcasting. Minister Prakash Javadekar has launched government's digital calendar and diary app in which place? So he launched in New Delhi. World Hindi Day is celebrated every year on which date? So World Hindi Day is celebrated every year on 10th of January. Okay, and National Hindi Day is celebrated every year on 14th of September. So remember both the days. National Hindi Day on 14th of September, and World Hindi Day is on 10th of January. Union Minister for Earth Sciences Harshvardhan has launched Coastal Research Vehicle, that is CRV, Sagar Anveshika, at which port? So he launched it at Chennai port. Okay, Chennai port. And there is another ship called MV Vasily MV Vasily Golovnin. That ship is being used in the 40th science expedition of Antarctica. Okay, expedition of Antarctica. What is that? So this is basically a research program that India do every year. So that is 40th edition, and the ship that is going on this journey is MV Vasily Golovnin. So remember this one. In the 40th edition of that expedition, the ship that is going MV Vasily Golovnin. So remember the ship name also. And that journey has been started from Goa, and at which place? Mormugao port. Mormugao port of Goa. Okay. So remember this one also. And that ship, that is Sagar Anveshika. Okay, that ship will be used for research purpose by National Institute of Ocean Technology. So that ship will be used for research purpose by NIOT, that is National Institute of Ocean Technology. So that organization will use that ship for research purpose. Which book has been released on the occasion of 16th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas? So book that is been released is Modi India Calling 2021. Which ministry said that the issuance of international driving permit for Indian citizens will be easy? So that is said by Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, and who is the minister? Nitin Gadkari is the minister for same. Nitin Gadkari. And who is the minister for Housing and Urban Affairs? Hardeep Singh Puri is our minister for Housing and Urban Affairs and Civil Aviation. And Kiran Rijiju is our sports minister. Turlapati Kutumba Rao has passed away. He was related to which field? He was a great journalist. K.K. Ramchandran also passed away. He was a great politician. So that questions are straightforward. So remember, politician. Amit Shah has launched single window clearing system for coal mines in the country. Amit Shah holds which ministry? Amit Shah is the minister for home. So Amit Shah is home minister of India. And defense minister is Nirmala Sitharaman. Finance minister is Rajnath Singh, not Nirmala Sitharaman, Rajnath Singh. Finance minister is Nirmala Sitharaman. Defense minister is Rajnath Singh. Finance minister is Nirmala Sitharaman. And shipping minister is Mansukh Mandavia. So that is the video for today. Thank you for watching short study. You can follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and Telegram. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.